Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig running and fleeing from Dinosaur George. Let's start to draw. George Pig's eyes, his nose, the shape of his head. Let's draw a mouth which is open and smiling, a circle for his cheek. Draw his ears. Let's draw his dinosaur body. Many spikes on his back. Let's draw his dinosaur arms and legs. After that, I draw Peppa Pig. She runs away from George. I draw her eyes, her nose, in the shape of her head. Her mouth is wide open and scared, a circle for her cheek. I draw her body, arms, legs, I draw the background. Let's draw a volcano. And a palm tree. Let's start coloring. Pink for skin. Black. Purple for her cheek. Red for dress. Red is Peppa Pig's favorite color. Light green. Red. Orange. Green for body. Brown. Orange. Red. Brown. Green. Brown for ground like the sand in the desert. A little orange to the background. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.